Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas and I am here in a forest area, Kaimosi forest. Just came to just have a walk inside this jungle. So this is the southern part of the larger Kakamega forest, and this is the easternmost part of the bigger Guineo-Congolian forest. So this stretches in western Kenya, and the trees here are huge, very huge. Look at that. Look at that. So in this jungle we have red-tailed monkeys, black and white colobus monkeys, and we also have look at that. We have different types of trees, over 100 species of trees, and also over 300 species of birds. That's quite something for a small patch of forest like this one. So this forest is about 1,000 acres only, but it's the main. It was the main shrine for the Tiriki sub-tribe of the Luya, larger Luya tribe. This is where they practice their initiation ceremonies, the circumcision. So this is their shrine. This is a sacred forest for the Tiriki clan of the Luya tribe. Look at this tree. So some trees here are over 500 years, some even 1,000 years. We have some very old trees around. I think I'll get to show you when I reach down towards the end. On the periphery of the forest, we have some huge trees, very old trees that are still standing. We have a source of water here, sharing the road. And here a stream, very clean water. So I have to mention that this forest is under also the management of Friends Mission, Friends Church Mission. It's a Christian denomination. So because the section is not section of the forest is not fenced, so there's a lot of deforestation going on. Look at those large trees. Look at that tree over there. Look at that. Very huge trees. I guess that these trees are over 500 years old. according to my estimation. So there are so many freestanding trees that were left when there was deforestation. There are some efforts to reforestate the forest, but seems little is being achieved in that effort. But it is what it is. The area is surrounded by large population of people. The density, there's high population density in this region, so the forest is under immense pressure from the surrounding communities. Look at that deforestation. So the whole of this part was a forest initially, but it's now cleared. So the section where they planted the maize is a reforestation site. They tried to plant some trees and give out the space to neighbors to take off the trees by planting maize. And once the trees are mature, then they stop planting maize in the same place. So on the horizon, at the back, there are huge trees still standing, still holding the forest to its current state. So this is the boundary, the road that separates. So on my left is the forest, on my right is the community lands. Stream, and they try to construct a bridge. Another bridge. Okay. So look at this kind of a tree standing alone. These trees have seen it all. Example of a tree that was fell. Here is what remains. Section of maize inside the forest area. So I guess this maize is for the mission or the Kaimosi University or demonstration school. I don't know. Another section of maize. And here they have done sugarcane plantation. Playing field. This is a goalpost. There should be another goalpost at the end. This sugarcane. Look at this tree. There's a hole inside. So other than having a walk in this forest as the reason as to why I'm making this video, another reason is that from tomorrow I will start exploring East Africa. I'll start with East Africa on bicycle. So I will start from here in Kaimosi, and I will be heading to Uganda as my first country of destination, and then Rwanda, and then Tanzania, and then from there we will see. But tomorrow I'll starting my cycling journey just as a bicycle traveler. The bicycle traveling is the cheapest mode of transportation. It is cost effective, sustainable, doesn't pollute the environment, it's clean. So yeah, that's the challenge I'll be starting tomorrow in the morning. So I'm in the western region of Kenya, so from here to the border with Uganda, the Busia border, will take me 2 days. Then I cross over into Uganda. So that's the reason, another reason as to why I make this video, as I explore this magnificent forest. Eucalyptus inside supposed to be a natural forest, but there's eucalyptus inside. So as I told you earlier, this forest is mainly for logging. There's a lot of illegal logging activities going on here. So that's a power saw working on some wood in the forest. It's a little bit, it's so disheartening to see the kind of destruction going on in this kind of a forest, and how significant, considering how significant this forest is to the community and to the surrounding micro climate. It should be protected. Maybe in 10 years or 20 years to come, this forest will not be existing. So my plans for tomorrow and the routes I'll take. So I'm on Kapsabet Kakamega highway. So I'll use a little bit of Kapsabet Kakamega highway, and then I branch on my left towards Hamisi, Shamahoho Hamisi Majengo Road, then finally to Majengo Luanda Road. I'll go to Maragoli Hills, where I am planning to camp for my first night on Maragoli Hills. Then on the second day I'll proceed from Maragoli Hills towards Busia border. I'm hoping on the second or third day I'll be crossing the border. So that's the small itinerary, but we will see what will unfold going forward. there's a storm coming, so I won't proceed further, but I'm still in this Kaimosi cultural forest, rainforest, very important biodiversity hotspot in this region. It plays key roles in environment and in the health of this healthy environment of this region. So tomorrow, see you on the road to Uganda.